Happy Motivational Monday, everyone. This week, we are kicking off our Getting Ready for the Holidays cleaning list. What we do is we spread out. I start with an inventory of everything that I want to finish and have clean before company comes over for Thanksgiving, and I work day by day through it. So for Motivational Mondays, what you see is Monday through Friday, I will film short clips of cleaning here and there leading up to the holidays. This week, I am starting with just doing everything in one day. This week, because we also slowly buy our canned products and our frozen foods through the month of November, so it's not like a massive budget for just Thanksgiving food, which we do still do, but we try to save that money for like fresh foods for Thanksgiving. We try to also space it out to where like we're not going and getting a hoard of everything we need for Thanksgiving in one day. And my window just had sunlight just come straight through it, and I wiped it out for a second. But what we're gonna do today is I'm only focused on starting off our Thanksgiving cleaning and Christmas cleaning and New Year cleaning with cleaning out the pantry, cleaning out the spice cabinet, cleaning out our drink cabinet, cleaning out the fridge and both deep freezers. And that's quite a bit of work, but I need to go ahead and get it done because number one, I need to, while I'm gonna be cleaning today, I'm also gonna be inventorying everything in all those places I just said, checking to see what I need to stock up on. And our other goal is we would like to make sure we have food already taken care of for the week of Thanksgiving, except for the Thanksgiving meal itself. That way I can focus on Thanksgiving week on just food for Thanksgiving. So I'll take you along as we go and try to explain some of it as we go if needed. But I'm gonna start with cleaning out the fridge, the freezer, like I said, all the cabinets and all that, and take you along and show you as we go. First thing I'm gonna do is empty out and clean out the fridge. This project may literally take all week this week. My goal is to just have it done before groceries on hopefully grocery pickup on Friday. But first and foremost, I'm gonna start with just emptying it out. We are doing literally leftovers or whatever is available in the fridge for this week because I bought 2 weeks worth last time and just did a massive grocery or clothing shopping over the weekend. So we had planned it that way. It's all good. It's all gonna work out, but I need to go through this. I need to go through sauces and everything and do a even before Thanksgiving pull out of just everything and see what we need. I'll be real with you all, it's day 2. I'm making lunch right now. We've been up for hours and I haven't even started. And you can see I've got dishes backed up behind me. It was just a crazy weekend, a lot going on. So I'm just now fixing to start this. And I have to get it started today because I need to thaw out meat for dinner tonight. So let's get this taken care of while the kids are outside having fun and I can hear them, the earshot because the door's open. And let's do it in between frying batches of tater cakes. Next up, I will start with the stand-up freezer, then I will move on to the deep freezer. Morning of day 3, fridge is done. I still have cabinets to do, and I'm gonna do the deep freeze right now, and I'm dressed to leave the house, so I've got to hurry and get this done, but I'll take you through it. So yesterday I did finish inventorying the first freezer, mostly vegetables in here, and go ahead, and any of our meats for, like, let me see where they are. We have burgers down there. So anything that's already pre-pattied, pre-seasoned, ready to go for meals is in there. Because I keep my roaster pan over there, and it sits on there as it cooks because it's the safest place to put it, and there's an outlet right there and all that. So, I mean, that stays on there all the time, so it's not super easy to get in and out of there. But I am gonna move the roaster and take everything out, inventory it, put it back in, make my meal plan for the rest of the month through Thanksgiving, and just try to get it organized to fit a turkey in there come 2 weeks from now. That was probably the easiest one because literally all I was doing was rearranging where stuff had shifted and taking inventory. Now I've got this to do. Yay! No, it shouldn't be too bad. One thing I did learn that I saw from Dana Creates, I'll link her down below, is baskets and pantries. They make a difference. They really do. Because normally this is like 3 boxes of oatmeal worth, and they take up more room than this one basket. This is my new favorite way to organize my pantry. So I'm gonna take everything out and reorganize it and get ready for tons of canned stuff that's gonna be in here for Thanksgiving. Next up is the spice cabinet, and honestly the other stuff I wasn't as worried about. The spice cabinet is the one I definitely need to inventory ahead of time because I want to make sure I get spices ahead of time so I'm not rushing or running out right at Thanksgiving. So we're gonna inventory all the spices, the oils, salts, peppers, all of that while we get it organized and cleaned out. Last but not least is the drink and snack cabinet. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.